Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can secure the ends of a woven strap. I'm going to glue the end, but first I'm going to cut off these yarns. I'm going to cut right on this line. This is the most scary part of it all. Hold the last threads, otherwise they will be a little bit longer. The yarns are now cut off, and now I'm going to glue the last end of the band. The starting weft, I secured it in the second row. I'm using bookbinder's glue. You can use any kind of glue that will dry transparent, and I will use a brush, painter's brush, to put it on. One side, turn it around. And then I will lift it up and also glue this part. Make sure everything is glued. Also the sides. And then I do like this with my fingers. I squeeze it a little, not very hard, just a little. Get it in the shape you want, and that this side doesn't stand open, but it's closed. And then you let it dry. Pick it up every now and then, otherwise it will stick to the paper. And I will show you what it looks like when the glue is dried. The glue is now dried and completely transparent. When the glue was almost dry, I pinched the top side like this, so the two layers come closer together and you have a nice edge. Thank you for watching.